Let me show you how we can disable TalkBack on a POCO C85. But first, in order to actually be able to disable the TalkBack, we need to understand how to navigate on your phone when TalkBack is enabled. Essentially, if you have any buttons in the menu, or if you use buttons for navigation, or if you want to, let's say, open something, select something from a list, you want to tap on that option once in order to select it, like that, and then double tap in order to confirm your selection. Therefore, if you have 3 buttons for navigation, we're going to start by closing everything, and we're going to start from the home screen. So we can tap on this button over here and then double tap to go to the list of background apps. And then of course we can close apps that we have opened. Now in the case of gestures, like for example if you want to use gestures for navigation, or if you want to swipe up and down, scroll on the list, go left and right, then you need to use 2 fingers instead of just 1. So for example, if I want to close these apps, I need to use 2 fingers to close them, like this. So we're gonna start from the home screen, as I mentioned. I'm gonna go to the app drawer, just in case you don't have it on the home screen. Then of course keep in mind that you can use 2 fingers once again in order to open the app drawer, and with 2 fingers we keep scrolling in order to find settings. Now we can tap on settings once and then double tap. Over here we need to keep scrolling down until we find additional settings, so we can tap once, then double tap, tap once on accessibility and then double tap. Then we're gonna tap on vision once, then double tap, tap on the TalkBack and then double tap, and then we can tap on the use TalkBack switcher and then double tap, tap on a turn off once, and of course double tap to confirm. And now we can start using our phone just like before. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.